Hey guys. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we will learn what a web application is and how it works. So, let's get started. A web application or simple web app is application software that runs on a web server. Unlike computer-based software programs that are stored locally on the operating system of the device, web applications are accessed by the user through a web browser with an active internet connection. These applications are programmed using a client-server modeled structure. Is a distributed application structure that partitions task or workload between the providers of a resource or service, called servers, and service requesters called clients. Examples of commonly used web applications include online retail sales, online banking, web mail, and online auctions. Millions of businesses use the internet as a cost-effective communications channel. It lets them exchange information with their target market and make fast, secure transactions. However, effective engagement is only possible when the business is able to capture and store all the necessary data and have a means of processing this information and presenting the results to the user. Web applications use a combination of server-side scripts to handle the storage and retrieval of the information and client-side scripts to present information to users. This allows users to interact with the company using online forms, content management systems, shopping carts, etc. How a web application works. Web applications are usually coded in browser-supported language, such as JavaScript and HTML, as these languages rely on the browser to render the program executable. Some of the applications are dynamic, requiring server-side processing. Others are completely static with no processing required at the server. For example, when a user triggers a request to the web server over the internet, either through a web browser or the application's user interface, web server forwards this request to the appropriate web application server. Web application server performs the requested task, such as querying the database or processing the data, then generates the results of the requested data. And web application server sends results to the web server with the requested information or processed data. Then web server responds back to the client with the requested information that then appears on the user's display. Now, if you like this video, throw us some like and subscribe for more content.